Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company on Thursday beat revenue and profit expectations in the first quarter, thanks to continued strong demand for advanced chips, particularly those used in AI applications. Here are TSMC's first quarter results versus LSEG consensus estimates. TSMC reported net revenue rose 16.5% from a year ago to 592.64 billion new Taiwan dollars, while net income increased 8.9% from a year ago to 225.49 billion new Taiwan dollars. The firm guided first quarter revenue to be between $18 billion and $18.8 billion. TSMC is the world's largest producer of advanced processors and counts companies such as Nvidia and Apple as its clients. TSMC is well positioned for strong performance based on key industry trends. The continued demand for advanced chips, particularly those used in AI applications, is a positive sign for both the short and long term. The focus on advanced chip development, like the shift towards 3 nanometers technology, is another factor driving long-term growth for TSMC. Brady Wang, Associate Director at Counterpoint Research, said on Monday ahead of the results. TSMC currently produces 3 nanometer chips and plans to commence mass production of 2 nanometer chips in 2025. Typically, a smaller nanometer size yields more powerful and efficient chips. Strong demand for AI chips led by the proliferation of large language models such as ChatGPT and Chinese clones has caused TSMC's shares to surge 56% in the past 1 year. TSMC accounted for 61% of global foundry revenue in the fourth quarter, according to Counterpoint Research data. Samsung Foundry came in second with 14% of the market. TSMC's net profit margin continues to be one of the highest in the company's history at 40%, against an industry average of 14%, demonstrating TSMC's strong competitive position. The high margin is the result of an increased share of sales of 7 nanometers and smaller chips, which have significantly higher margins, Grzegorz Drozdz, market analyst at Conotoxia, said last week. The U.S. also recently granted TSMC's Arizona subsidiary preliminary approval for government funding worth up to $6.6 billion to build the world's most advanced semiconductors. TSMC is also eligible for about $5 billion in proposed loans. Earlier this month, Taiwan was hit by an earthquake, its strongest one in 25 years. A TSMC spokesperson said its construction sites were normal upon initial inspection, though workers from some fabs were briefly evacuated. Those workers subsequently returned to their workplaces. This is breaking news. Please check back for updates.